So many people never truly live because they are too busy fearing tomorrow, fearing loss, fearing sickness, fearing age, fearing death, fearing problems that haven't happened and may never happen. They sacrifice today for a tomorrow no one was promised. And while they're busy worrying about life, life is quietly passing them by. Here is the hard truth. None of us are guaranteed another sunrise. No contract was signed, no promise was made. No man gets to demand tomorrow. But that truth was never meant to scare you. It was meant to wake you up. Since tomorrow is uncertain, love deeply today. Tell the people who matter, I love you. Don't assume they know. Say it while they can still hear it. Forgive quickly. Some people waste years carrying anger into rooms where peace was waiting. Bitterness is heavy. Life is short. Put it down. Stay humble. Money fades. Looks fade. Status fades. Titles fade. But character remains. Faith remains. How you treated people remains. Stay close to God, because when the future feels uncertain, anchor yourself to the one who is not. People change. Plans fail. Worlds shake. God does not. Be a simple kind of man. Be something you love and understand. Forget your lust for the rich man's gold. All that you need is in your soul. There is deep wisdom in that. You do not need to impress the world. You need to become real, good, faithful, at peace. So stop postponing life. Stop waiting for the perfect season. Stop delaying kindness. Stop saving love for later. Stop acting like time owes you something. It doesn't. Call your family. Hug your children. Thank your parents. Pray today. Laugh more. Speak softer. Love harder. And when death eventually comes, as it does for all, let it find you living, not hiding. Let it find you humble. Let it find you faithful. Let it find you full of love. Because the goal was never to live forever here. The goal was to live well while you were here. Live before tomorrow comes. Restored life after.